Well, hello. This is my first testimonial. We're here at the summit, and we are at the end of a long week, but we want to share the value of book flipping.
Yes, my name is Sabrina Martinez, and I just thought the book flipping class was excellent. What I really liked about book flipping, besides Brian just being a fabulous teacher, it really was more. It was easier for me to comprehend because there's one product you look at, and it's books. So I really enjoyed book flipping, and I think that everyone should try to do it.
So I'm very excited about the possible profits that come with textbooks. And I'm very much in the early learning stages, but I'm so grateful for the way that he showed examples on his phone, because it's so hard to do that if you don't have someone involved in the same training. So if you want someone to process that with you, this is such a great chance. There's a lot more to it, but that's what we got.
Great, thanks.